Aminata we kana kasi denkola. Aminata made yombeni yele look ala polo. Aminata kana kasi denkola. Aminata onderi yombeni yele look ala polo.
And so it gives me great joy and great pride to be here to open another station that will provide jobs for Liberians. The stations are also moving outside of Monrovia. We have to decentralize the downstream sector of the petroleum market, and ST is doing that. So today, I want to join the minister to say, ST, congratulations.
Thank you.
Keep on doing what you do.
Thank you.
And help us to feed more Liberians.
Thank you.
And to give good service
Thank
to
you.
your customers.
Thank you.
Very impressive.
Thank you.
And so, thank you. Keep up the good work. And I will say to you today, for everybody, that you have my fullest support. The Liberian importers, the foreign importers, all of you are making things happen. And give you our 100% support.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come on, Minister.
Aminata we kana kasi denkola.
This is a man I'm very, very, very proud of. Today, not my word, but I heard it from him, from a filthy station to a filling station. And this is what we have to learn in business, that each step you make should be towards improvement. This is a pride to Liberians, the first of its kind. Today, you have made us proud and you're giving us a reason to believe in more Liberians. We want Liberians to do good businesses.
So I'm very, very proud of what ST and his team has achieved. You know, like I said, 6 years ago, you saw some of those pumps at gas stations and you were always worried about what was going into your tank. We have seen a complete transformation in the downstream sector for gas. And seeing business people like ST, despite all the challenges, are committed to growing the business, to meeting those standards. You know, last year Commerce did some inspection of gas stations. Calibration. It made me very unpopular. And you know, our team has been working with the gas station owners to help educate them, to help improve the quality of service that we expect them to perform. And so when customers come to the pump, when they pay for 1 gallon, they get 1 gallon. And that's the confidence you must have in the brand when you see Aminata.
Yes. So they are cooperating.
They are fully cooperating. Even though they didn't like the fines, but they have paid the fines and they are cooperating. And I must say, our stations are improving.
Yes.
Some of them are learning about the standards. Some people just didn't know, you know, that those things are required of them.
There were some of those stations that you gave time to meet up to the standard.
Well, you know, our Deputy Minister and Inspector General, Honorable Ba, has been working with them. You know, his job is not a very popular job because he has to find a lot of people and shut them down. But I must say, for this particular sector, the owners have been very responsible. They have been able to engage the ministry constructively, and this I always emphasize, constructive engagement with government leads to constructive results. They have come to us, raised their concerns. We have been able to get them around the table. They have made recommendations that we can improve the sector working together, and we are beginning to see the transformation. All of these stations are improving on the standards. They're improving on the quality. This station is in proximity to a residential area. So it's only fair that we enforce those standards. In case of emergency, what do? You know, we need to enforce these standards, and I must say, Aminata, the brand, is fully in compliance with those standards. In fact, my brother called me and he said, well, you know, that one of the stations did not perform. He was very unhappy with it because he felt that, you know, we didn't give him the C mark. We should not give him the C mark because his problem was registration and not so much standard. And so we've been able to work with the station owners to help improve the quality of the tender. So when a Liberian comes to the pump and they say, I want to purchase 1 gallon of gas, they get the 1 gallon of gas they pay for.
In order for us to answer the question, something had to happen. That is the conditions, the atmosphere the government created that led the banks to believe in us.
Thank you. Like I always say, Liberians have to compete. We cannot have our nationality and expect government to take businesses from foreigners and deliver it to us. We have to go for it. We have been given a lot of opportunity. We have to take advantage of those opportunities and compete. I will show you something. If you come to this station or any other Aminata station to take product and you have any problem with pump attendant, look at this. You need help? This number, you call this number, whether you have money or you don't have money in your phone, you call this 1984, somebody will answer it and take care of your problem. The first thing you need to do is to talk to the manager. There's a manager in our office there, and all the stations are like that. There's a manager on the spot. You go there and lodge your complaint. If you cannot get redress, just call this number. That means you are calling the main office, and it does not cost you money to call this number. Whether you have money in your phone or not, you just dial this number, somebody will answer you, you explain it, your problem will be solved.
How did it take for you to reach this?
A long time. We've been in the business for 30 years now. We started in 1984, this is 2004. It took us a long time. We've been closed over and over. We reopened. We've been having a lot of challenges. I know some friends who are doing the same business with us. Some 20 years ago, the first challenge they met, they ran away. They left the business. We have remained, and how we remain, we went through our problems.
Are you sometimes concerned about the quality of the product? Like some gas you can have 100%?
No, I'm not. That is taken care of at FPRC. When you receive a vessel, anytime we receive a vessel, FPRC has a lab. They will test it and make sure that the product is good for consumption before even the vessel is allowed to discharge. I'm not concerned about that.
You were declared an illegal entity by the Ministry of Commerce. How did you overcome that?
We were never declared illegal entity. The ministry at the time said that our pumps were under-delivering, but it was addressed immediately. It was an error from the ministry because they had issued a certificate of accuracy to us, and by mistake they went and said there was problem. It has been addressed, there's no such problem anymore. And you heard the minister talk.
Among your challenges were the issue when you have to sell with LP, petroleum.
Well, like I said, many people, whenever there's a problem, they run away. There were problems. My partners at the time decided to take their asset and get out. They got out, and we continued with our name, and we confronted our problem, and we are now
Aminata, where he cannot see the cola. Aminata, Made, young Benny Yellow, Alapolo. Aminata, cannot see the cola. Aminata, Terry, young Benny Yellow, Alapolo. Aminata, Sinayaka, Balademo, Baliala. Aminata, Uluka, Balademola. Aminata, Sinayaka, Balademo, Baliama. Aminata, Nyagila, Jedempola.